Um,
Cool.
is she biting you?
Bite you.
Is she biting you? Are you like stabbing her with your fingernail? Oh, don't do that. Can you pet her? Give her kisses. That cat is takes a lot of abuse. I'm not gonna lie. Is she? What are you headbutting her now?
I said bite you.
Did she
Bite you.
Did she bite you? No. No, pet her. Can you pet her very soft? Pet her soft. There you go. Pet her soft.
I bite you.
Did she bite you? He kind of looks drunk sometimes. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Are you hiding? Where'd you go? Where'd Andrew go? Where'd David go? Where'd Sheila go? Can you mimic that one? Where did Sheila go?
Where'd David go?
Is that bright? Are you gonna have like eye damage when I'm done? Probably. What are you doing? What are you doing? Where's the kitty? Did you have some avocado?
No, Saki. Saki.
You look like you're playing piano on the cat. No, be nice. Be nice. Be nice. Can you pet her nice and soft? Don't pull her tail out. Pet her soft, like this. Yeah. Can you be nice? Be nice to the kitty.
Oh, wake up.